Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Ken Flex. Hope you're all doing great. It's been a while since I made a video. Yeah, I was busy with some stuffs, and I also lost a friend, so I was busy. Yeah, but I'm back now. So we'll be making videos on how to make money online. So, guys, if you are new to this channel is dedicated on how to make money online. Yeah. So if you are new, kindly click on the subscribe button and help us grow this channel to become a bigger family. You so you just click on the subscribe button, then you click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video, YouTube will automatically alert you that Ken Flex has uploaded a new video, so you must watch. So guys, in today's video I'm actually going to show you how you can create a PayPal account in a country where PayPal is not available. Yeah. So if I can share my experience I have on online styles. When I started online styles, I was very passionate about making money online, but my problem is that I wasn't having any way of receiving my payment. Yeah, so I was worried. So whenever site I visited, it would say PayPal, but I wasn't having any PayPal account. So I was worried and determined that how can I create a PayPal account. So at long last, I was able to create a PayPal account, even though I'm in a country where PayPal is not available. Yeah, so that's why I want to show you guys how to create a PayPal account for yourself or for your friend. Yeah, so if you are new to this channel and you haven't made any money online, kindly leave a comment in there down below, and also like the video. Yeah, if you haven't made any money on your online journey, kindly leave a comment down below. And I also recommend PicoWorkers to you. I've made a video on that PicoWorkers. It's a legit site I'll recommend to you if you are new to online stuffs. Yeah, making money online. If you are new and you haven't made any money online before, yeah, I recommend PicoWorkers. Yeah, let me quickly show you my PicoWorkers dashboard and see how far. I haven't been consistent doing jobs on this site for 1 week. As I said earlier, I said I was busy learning affiliate marketing. Yeah, I was learning affiliate marketing, and I'll be making videos on affiliate marketing, showing you what I've learned. And yeah, I'm new to affiliate marketing, but I'll be explaining all those stuff to you. Maybe you know already about affiliate marketing. It's also a way to make money online. Yeah, guys, so this is my PicoWorkers dashboard. Yeah, as you can see, my money balance is $4.52. Yeah, as you can see, the last tax submitted is 1 week ago. Yeah, so I haven't been doing any job since the past 1 week. Yeah, because I was busy, and I said I also lost my friend, so I was worried and all those stuffs. But now I've recovered, so I'm back. Yeah, so we'll be making a new videos. We'll be dropping bangers. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and also share our videos, guys, so that we become a great family on YouTube. Yeah, so as you can see, I've earned $21 on this site, PicoWorkers only. Guys, it's not that much, but guys, if you haven't made any money online before, you will be passionate to make you will be having the passion to make online money online. So I will recommend PicoWorkers for you. If you are new to online stuff, start with it will help you. So after creating your PayPal account, then you go to PicoWorkers and then you sign up and start working there. And also I'll be leaving a link to PicoWorkers in my description box. yeah, where you can sign up over there and get some 50-cent bonus for free. Yeah, so guys, without wasting much time, let's get straight to the video on how to create a PayPal account in a country where PayPal is not available. Yeah, so I'll open a new tab. So PayPal is not available in some countries. Example, Ghana, my country is not available. So in my case, I use Lesotho to create mine. So going straight forward and type in paypal.com, I rather type in paypal.com/ls, paypal.com/ls. The ls means Lesotho, as I've said earlier. Yeah, so Lesotho, this country supports PayPal, so I use Lesotho. There are certain countries that you must use, but you can use, but Lesotho works perfect. So you click on enter, then it opens. I'll be creating a PayPal account for my brother for the sake of this tutorial. So you just click on sign up over there. So since we'll be using our PayPal account to receive money, we'll be creating a business account. So click on business account, then you click on continue. Then you must have the email address you want to use in creating your PayPal account. So I will use one of my email address. I've stored it in my notepad, so I will copy that, then I'll paste it, continue, loading. If you are new to my channel, guys, consider subscribing to my channel, because from these days going we will be dropping bangers. Or what's wrong? Something went wrong. Enter your email address, continue. Yeah, so let me type in my password I want. So let me use let me use this one. Yeah, continue. So you type in the password, make sure that your password is strong enough. So what's my name? Since I'll be using, I want to create my account for my brother, so I'll use my brother's account. My brother's name is Richard. Let's say OSEI. Business name Richard. Let's say dot L LSD, like limited or limited. So I'm in Ghana, so I'll be selecting Ghana. So if you are in Togo, if you are in Burkina Faso, so the country you are, you select your country, then you type in the phone number. Which phone number should I use? Okay, let me use this one. 0 use this one. Let me use Lake Road. What's wrong with the number? What's wrong? The number is invalid for really. So what do you want me to do? 0. Okay, let me use this one. Okay. Let me select Abidjan contact. Then you click on agree. You type in your details, bro. So the country code Ghana 00233. That's my country code. So you type in your country code over there. Then you proceed. Agree. So guys, business type, individual sole proprietorship. Product, you can type in computer software store, then continue. Date of birth, wow, I'm not going to give them my brother's real date of birth, so let me use this one, January. Let me use 2000. I'm a Ghanaian. I'm not in Lesotho. So you select the country you are in. So you see there are so many countries over there. You select Ghana. Yeah, so Ghana. So identity document. So you have to provide your identity document, either national ID, passport, or driver's license. I will be providing my national ID number. So also save it in my notepad. So I'll copy that, Ctrl+C, copy. Then I'll paste it there. So use the same address I used earlier. Then you click on submit. I hope you'll be able to create a PayPal account for my brother. So I'm waiting. So in creating a PayPal account is not difficult at all, my brother. Welcome to your PayPal business account, guys. We did it. So creating a PayPal account is not that difficult at all. Not that you got. So let me see this one. Creating a PayPal account is not difficult. So this is how you can create your PayPal account in a country where PayPal is not available. No thanks. So what next? So let's go to the summary and see something over there. So guys, this is the PayPal account. We have done it. We are done with it. We have done it. So you'll be checking your inbox to confirm your email address and also link a debit card or link a bank to your PayPal account so that you can transfer your money from the PayPal to your either Visa card or your bank. So guys, that's all in creating a PayPal account. So you just have to, the most important thing is that use Lesotho. Yeah, that works perfect. Lesotho. So you type in www.paypal.com/ls Lesotho, then you follow the steps, then you are good to go. So this is how to create a PayPal account in countries where PayPal is not available. Yeah, in my PayPal account, my original PayPal account, I've linked my Visa card to my PayPal account, so I can transfer my funds from my PayPal account to my Visa account anytime I want. So you just have to get a Visa card that supports PayPal account in your country. In my country, Ghana, UBA Prepaid Africa, yeah, it works perfect over here. So I don't know in your country. So guys, this is how you create a PayPal account in 2020. Just simple. It won't take you at least 5 minutes. You are done with your PayPal account. So guys, that's all. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, and also like the video and leave a comment. Any question you have, I'll be willing to reach you soon. Yeah. So guys, my next video I'll be talking about the affiliate marketing I was learning. Then we all start. I'm new to affiliate marketing, but I want us all to start it together so that we all make it. Yeah. So I bought a course on affiliate marketing. Yeah, and I've learned it. So I've started. So I'll be showing you guys how you can also go about affiliate marketing if you want to make extra money. So guys, see you in the next video. King Flex signing out.